Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Hyundai Elantra, stock number 5922. This ran from the 12th 2015 to the 12th 2020. Has a G4NA 2-litre petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here we have the G4NA 2-litre petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front 16-inch alloy mag, good tyre. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door trim. Right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear stick, AC controls, touch screen factory stereo, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, interior mirror, courtesy light, factory steering wheel, instrument cluster,